How you doing? My name is Chris, and welcome to my shop. I just recently received a message from somebody in South Africa, and you're going to have to forgive me if I say that I'm still blown away by the fact that somebody in South Africa and somebody like me in Connecticut in the United States of America can actually talk to each other. Because when I was growing up, that would be unbelievable, and it still blows me away today. But this very kind gentleman, and I'm not going to mention his name because I don't think he messaged me with the intention of me doing that, told me, God love him, said, Chris, I really love your videos, and I've learned a lot from them. And brother, I don't know how to tell you this other than to say, that hits home, because that's all I really wanted to do. Whether you like my videos or not, I don't really care. If you learn something from them, however, that means a ton. But his message to me was, he hasn't seen me in 6 months. And granted, that's true. I haven't been on YouTube and I haven't put out a video in almost 6 months, if not exactly 6 months. And he wondered what if it was, home commitments or what the deal was, and I was, and I've been hesitant to even address this, and so I don't even want to do it now, but I'll tell you this. I have been unable to do a video because I had a back injury, and I'll leave it at that. I don't want your pity. Please, please, please do not give me your pity. I hate pity. I don't want to be pitied. Stuff happens to you. It happens to me. This is my little bump in the road. That's it. I don't need your, oh, I'm sorry for your pain, or come on, give me a break. I don't need that. I'm going to be fine. As you can see, I'm standing in my shop now, which is something I couldn't have done 2 months ago. But I'm getting to the point where I can get back out here and have fun again. And I'm waiting to do that. I mean, I'm really anticipating doing it. Right now, my shop, the temperature is, it's freezing, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But even still, I would still love to be out here making something and doing what I can for you. I have a project that I was halfway through in August, and it's sitting right over there. And I'm looking at it, and it just bugs the living crap out of me that I can't finish it, because honestly, I just can't stand for that long. I will stand here long enough to explain to my friend in South Africa who asked, because I'm not dead. I haven't come down with some sort of diphtheria or anything. I am fine. Just haven't been able to get out in my shop and make any videos for you guys. And trust me, you guys may not even care as much as I do. I mean, I loved doing these videos for you, and I will be doing them again soon as I am able. But my friend, I want to say thank you for reaching out all the way across this globe of ours from South Africa to get in touch with me and ask me if I'm okay. Man, that's what this community is all about. I love you, and I'll see you soon. But for those of you who aren't in my predicament, I'm going to say it. I'm sorry, I am. Get out in your shop. Go make that first cut and get something done. I'll talk to you later.